Hello everyone. This video is about how you can borrow airtime on MTN. So how do we do it? But before we get into the process, I would like to kindly request you to subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Tap onto the dial up, should I call it that way? Then you tap *146, then hash, then tap the dial button, MTN. So once you get over here, I'm not yet eligible for this. I'm not yet eligible to borrowing airtime on MTN. So and here they let you know that to be eligible, to be able to get yourself the extra time, it's called the MTN extra time, you have to recharge 1,800 shillings for a month, for each month, for 3 months. So if you haven't done that, you won't be able to get that offer of borrowing yourself some airtime from MTN. You have to first do that so that you can be eligible for this offer of borrowing airtime from MTN. Thanks for watching the video. I hope to see you next time. Yeah.